Actors, you know your cues. So here we go.
So I was thinking, sorry,
Even if
perhaps we could, please go ahead. God damn it, my salad had croutons on it again.
I'm sorry.
What is this world coming to?
You know, croutons have actually been around for centuries. It's been a staple of French cuisine for centuries. The word crouton comes from the French word croûte, meaning crust, which also signifies...
What's even a fucking French salad?
Oh, do you think it's a bit hot in here?
It was a couscous salad.
Right. Well, couscous originated amongst the Berbers in northwest Africa between the 11th and 13th centuries. And
I mean, who puts croutons on couscous?
my fish had too much salt.
Next time I'm going to get something else, pasta or something. But just wait, I bet there'll be croutons on my pasta too. Next time.
Yeah, at the rate you're eating, there won't be a next time. Say, could you turn the air up? It's really quite toasty.
Capitalist toast. That's what it is, I tell you.
Those capitalists have certainly messed up the food scene, that's for sure.
Assembly line garbage. Grown in those packages, just add water. It tastes like cardboard, soggy cardboard.
Hey, at least the water still tastes okay.
Everything's dehydrated nowadays. Dehydrated bread, dehydrated fruits. If people would fall for it, I bet they would try to sell dehydrated water too. Just add water. I really hope the lobster tastes okay. If the lobster is in it too, I think I might drown myself.
The genus of American lobster is Homerus. Homerus, not so different from Homo, is in Homo
If I
sapien.
can file a complaint or something.
Hey, you made the food. If you really want to complain, then take it up with the chef.
It's not my fault. There's only so much a person can do with these lousy ingredients. Soup, bland. Cheeses, too sharp. Sauces, well, I guess the sauces are all right.
It's a miracle. Do you think you can use your newfound elation to get up and turn the heat down?
How to manage to get it right.
High fructose corn syrup.
Probably high fructose corn syrup, or one of those sugar substitute additives that health experts say can lead to tuberculosis. I wonder what's in all those syrups and flavorings anyway.
Well, high fructose corn syrup 55 is composed of 55% fructose, 42% glucose, and 3% other sugars. But really, it's the fructose that you need to worry about. So your body has to convert fructose into glucose, glycogen, or fat in order to use it as fuel, as opposed to the other sugars, which can simply...
Not that it really matters after today anyways. So here's one to you, health experts. I'll draw my cuisine in fructoid sauces, and damn be the consequences. I bet you taste just as lousy as the rest of this meal. Can't find good ingredients, but this sauce will do you good. Don't you think, Sam? Now this is what I'm talking about. This is a real meal worthy of the finest chefs in Paris, Africa, and anywhere else. Don't you think, Sam? I mean, truly scrumptious, delicious, a gastronomical conquest of the first degree. Don't you like it, Sam? I could die happy knowing that I've managed to prepare this dish. Why don't you try it, Sam? Sam?
And scene.